one issue you've been outspoken on, it's a lightning rod, is drug legalization. It's a controversial issue, so people like talking about it. Where do you see that on your priority list? For all the things you'd like to see changed with how our government operates, where do you think that issue ranks?
I'll tell you what, I think it's one of the biggest issues in this country when you consider that half of what we spend on law enforcement, half of what we spend in the courts, and half of what we spend in the prisons is drug related. Outside of the fact that we are arresting 1.8 million people a year in this country, all the resources that go into an issue that really is having no effect. People continue to use drugs, and by no means do I condone recreational use of drugs, whether that be marijuana or any other drugs. I think that marijuana should be legal. I think that we should adopt harm reduction strategies regarding all the other drugs. And when I say harm reduction strategies, I mean reducing death, disease, crime, and corruption. But why we can't make the same correlation between marijuana, smoking marijuana, and drinking alcohol, I really don't understand. I personally haven't had a drink of alcohol in 22 years. It's the best decision that I ever made in my entire life. Would the country be better off if nobody had a drink? Yeah, but we tried it. Again, I don't see why we can't make that same correlation with marijuana. Look, not the best choice in the world to smoke marijuana, but smoke marijuana confines of your own home, doing no harm to anyone arguably other than yourself. Should that be legal? Yes. Should you go to jail for that? No.